Got a minute?
One sec, sorry.
Oh.
Hey everyone, just wanted to give you an update on what's going on here. We've got siding going on and the roof. Let's see here. It's kind of a juggle trying to deal with the city inspectors and get siding on and roofing at the same time and all that fun stuff. But we've got the siding is looking great. This is hardy plank and all the windows are trimmed out as well. And then the electrician was here the other day and helped us kind of mark out exactly where we're going to need boxes for outlets and light fixtures. So you can see not much new going on in the house itself. I don't know last time I shot a video if you guys saw that the doors are in and our HVAC is all installed now. So yeah, hope you guys like it. I think it's coming along pretty well. The electricians are going to start roughing in stuff on Friday, and we're going to start roughing in plumbing today as well. All right, let me know if anyone wants to buy this house. It should be ready in maybe 4 weeks or so. See ya.